So now we will learn some words, some new words. So open your student book on page 55. Okay. Open your student book on page 55. And we will learn some new words. Oops.
All right.
Oh, sorry. No, that's not what I wanted. It's this button. Okay. So, do you know this animal?
It's a polar bear.
Right. It's a polar bear.
Polar bear.
Polar bear. Please
Polar
repeat,
bear.
everybody.
Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Polar
Yes, please,
bear.
everybody, turn
Polar
on your
bear.
microphones and repeat.
Polar bear.
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 Okay, and now we will learn a word which is connected to Earth. A pole.
Pole. Pole.
Pole.
It could be connected to Earth, but also to some other things. And it means for Earth, it actually means it's a place. Yes, it's a place on Earth which actually connects. If you connect North and South Pole, it actually gives you the line around which Earth rotates. Okay, that's like it's usually we have our maps where North is in the top and South is in the bottom. So actually it's like points on Earth around which the Earth rotates, or which when we connect, we get a line around which Earth rotates. And I already mentioned two words, top and bottom. Top and bottom. It's actually words connected to the position. Top, for example, if you have a house, top is this part of the house, top, and bottom is this part. And between them is middle. So we have top, bottom, and between is middle. It's actually top, bottom,
middle.
Top.
top. Repeat, everybody.
Top.
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 Bottom.
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 So when I have this is top, top, this is bottom, and this is middle. You see, top, bottom, middle. Okay?
Top, middle.
Top.
Top, bottom,
Top.
Bottom.
Bottom.
and middle.
Bottom. Middle.
How do you
Middle.
say top in Thai? Top in Thai.
สูงสุดเหรอ
สุด
ด้านบนใช่ ถ้าใช้กับtop score ก็ได้ top secret อะไรก็ได้นะคะ ใช้สูงสุดก็ได้หรือแปลว่าถ้าเป็นเขาเรียกอะไรนะ เป็นตึกใช่ไหมก็จะชั้นบนนะคะ rooftop เคยได้ยินคำนี้ไหมคะ rooftop
Actually, top and bottom is connected to things which are vertically organized. Vertically. So
เป็น
you
แนว
have
ตั้ง
this
แนวตั้ง
vertically. Yeah,
จะใช้ top กับ bottom ได้
vertically organized, top and bottom. So you have top and bottom. When you have something which is vertically organized. So if you have it like this, it's not anymore top and bottom. Well, it is because we think of it like this, but this is like if it would be normally like this, it will not be top and bottom anymore, because top and bottom is connected with vertical organization. This way, the way we stand. This is my top, this is my bottom. And is between top and between middle. Actually, middle doesn't have to be connected with top and bottom. It could be connected also with left and right and the middle. It's like the center. Middle is not necessarily connected to top and bottom. It's like center, approximately same distance from 2 points. So that's middle.
Middle.
Okay. Then we have 4 words connected to direction on Earth. It's north, south, east, and west. So we have north is this part of the world, north. South is this part, and east and west are kind of relative to where you actually are. So if you look to the map of Thailand, well, so
pole ก็คือขั้วโลกนะคะเด็ก north pole south pole ก็คือขั้วโลกเหนือขั้วโลกใต้
okay, so let me share. So we have, this is map of Thailand. So we have north of Thailand and south of Thailand. North and south, it's part of Thailand, it's relative to Thailand. And then we have northeast. So Khon Kaen is in the middle of northeast, which is this part. Northeast is combination with north and east. It's actually east, but it's more towards north. Okay, so this is when we have, for example, which city is north of Khon Kaen? Tell me city which is north of Khon Kaen.
เมืองไหนคะหรือว่าจังหวัดไหนคะที่อยู่ทางเหนือ
Northward direction from Khon Kaen.
อุดร
Udon
Yeah,
right
right.
Udon
Udon Thani, right? Udon
เมื่อกี้
Thani.
เมื่อกี้ใครตอบเชียงใหม่นะ
ผมมือ
เชียงใหม่ is north of Thailand ลูกใช่เชียงใหม่ is north of Thailand
North of Khon Kaen.
ที่เชื่อไม่ใช่เชียงรายอยู่บนสุดเหรอ
เชียงรายอยู่บนสุด
Which city is east from Khon Kaen? East from Khon Kaen, towards
ตะวัน
east.
ออก
East
ตะวันออก
direction.
ตะวันอ
กา
อก
ฬสินธุ์
ตะวันออกนี่ฝั่งไหนนะ
Right.
ขวา
Kalasin.
ขวามือนะคะ on your right hand
Okay. Which city is south from Khon Kaen?
มหาสารคาม
มหาสารคาม
Well, Mahasarakam is more like south.
south east
มันไม่มี
Mahasarakam
ใต้
is ma-
เลยอะมันมีแต่ตำบลวัง
What's
วัง
this? I don't know. It's in Thai.
It
ตำบล
It's not a province. It's like a
It's-
state.
yes it's
Content.
like a district
Well, I'm
district.
asking about cities. I'm asking about cities anyway.
ได้ค่ะ ได้เลยลูกตอบไปเลย
So which city is or
Okay,
town is south of
It's a
Konkan?
บางสวัสดิ์
ไม่มันเหมือนออกชัยภูมิยังไม่รู้อะ
yeah
น่าจะชัยภูมิ
it's nearly
but Chayapur is at southwest.
So which city or which town is south of Konkan? Tell me. What is this?
อ่านได้เลย
It's
ค่ะลู
in
กอ่าน
Thai. I
ได้เลย
can read it.
สะบานตำบลบางสวรรค์
it's a city in ขอนแก่นนะคะ it's a sub district in ขอนแก่น
Yeah, I'm speaking about city Konkan, and
Yes.
which city is south
Right.
from city Konkan, or which town
I
is
use
south from
Konkan.
city Konkan?
เป็นเอาแค่เอาตัวเมืองเป็นหลักบ้านแฮดใครอยู่บ้านแฮดไหมคะ
ฮะ
มีใครอยู่บ้านแฮดไหม
So
คะ
which one? So what's
แล้ว
this?
อะ
What is this? What's this town?
มันเหมือนบ้านไผ่
Banpai?
บิ๊กซีบอนพอย
บ้านไผ่
Banpai?
is a hospital
Yeah,
But-
it's a hospital, but what is this city?
อำเภอไหมอะ
It's not a city. It's a hospital. Oh no, it's a station. It's a railway station.
มันเป็นบ้านไผ่
But
yes
there is
it's บ้านไผ่
school, Bampai hospital, there is Bampai station, so there should be Bampai town, isn't it?
บ้านไผ่เป็นตำบล
yes
Yes, this
I
is
suppose.
It's
Yes.
called Banpai State. It's a state, I think, or some city.
it's district ถ้า state แปลว่ารัฐ
District.
แปลว่ารัฐ
So how
district
this town is called? Is this somehow called or not at all?
Banpai.
It's called Banpai.
Ah, Anhai?
บ้านไผ่
Yes,
No.
Banpai.
Oh, I'm
Banpai.
just asking.
ไผ่ไผ่
พี่เชื่อ BANPIA เอ้ย PAI
Yeah, Bampai, that's what I'm saying.
บ้านเปีย
บ้าน
Okay. And so that's south from Konkan, right? That sounds from Konkan. What's westward? What's west from Konkan?
West.
West.
Can can you just a little bit pan out? Zoom out. Please zoom out.
That's what I'm doing.
Can you zoom out for me because I can't see any province now.
Ah.
I
But
don't
I'm
know.
asking not about province, I'm asking about towns.
อุบลเปล่าดิเชื่อ
I think it's
no I don't think it's อุบล
I think it's not
พิษณุโลกหรือเปล่า
now. I think it's not now.
Yes,
It's like
now is a part. So
yeah,
it's
not
west.
now. This is called now.
Okay, so that's west. Okay,
อืม
that's
Yeah.
ดิ
west
เชื่อ
from
เข้าใจว่า
Konkan.
น้ำหนาวเป็นจังหวัดสลับ
My
Okay.
town city.
Let's go back.
alright
So repeat everybody.
North,
Everybody.
North.
north
north,
North.
east,
East.
east,
East.
south,
South.
south
South. South.
South.
ไม่ใช่
South.
south
west,
West.
west
west,
West.
west,
West
yeah
Okay. So now let's repeat and listen to all those words and some new.
Module 6, The Four Corners of the Earth. Sing a song. Vocabulary. Polar bear. Top,
พวกเราแบบ
top
middle,
middle
bottom,
bottom
บ้าน
north,
north
south, east, west, pole, lonely, believe,
Okay, and we have two other words, lonely. What does lonely means?
It means stay alone and feel like no one to talk.
Do you think
Or
that person who is lonely is happy or not?
Not, it's like miss his
เหงา
friends.
ป่ะทีเชอร์
It's like miss his friend, miss his parent, but there's no one there.
Right. Exactly. So, lonely, it's feeling sad because the people in your family or friends are not with you. For example,
Diane felt very lonely when she first moved to London.
so Diane felt very lonely. She felt very lonely when she first moved to London because she was sad because she was not with her mom and brother and sister and father and her friends. So she was sad. She felt very lonely.
Diane felt very lonely when she first moved to London.
And then another word is believe. What does believe mean? Believe.
It's like what should I say? It's like we believe to make him to do something, like it's like you can do it and let him do. I don't know how to explain.
What do other people think? What is believe? Believe.
believe
It's like trust people to do something for us.
Maybe.
maybe something like that คนอื่นว่าไงคะ believe น่าจะแปลว่าอะไรหมายถึงอะไร about others หรือว่า believe ที่สมาร์ทตอบ
คือ believe อะ
believe is believe โอเค alright
มันไม่รู้จะอธิบายยังไงอะ
yes to trust something ใช่ไหมคะ to follow something อะไรอย่างเงี้ย
Well, believe means to think something is true. So if you believe something, you are.
I don't believe Harry is telling us the truth.
So if you believe something, then it's you think it's true. If you believe somebody, that it means the person is trustworthy, or that it means to trust somebody. To believe somebody is to trust somebody. It's like a more relational, personal thing. Believe something is to think something is true.
เชื่อนั่นเองเชื่อ for example I believe in you guys you can do it something like that ทำไมหัวเราะอ่ะ
And then we have also, that's a verb. Believe is a verb. But we have also a noun. Believe. Believe, and that's a noun, and that's the content of believing. So if you look here, this is definition by Merriam-Webster, belief. A state or habit in mind in which trust or confidence is placed in some person or thing. For example, her belief in God, or a belief in democracy. Or I bought a table in the belief that it was unique, contrary to popular belief. Or two, something that is accepted, considered to be true, or has an opinion, something that is believed. So an individual's religious or political beliefs, or the conviction of the truth of some statement. So, or the reality of some being or phenomenon, especially when based on examination of evidence. So belief in the validity of scientific statements. So that's belief. Belief, F in the end as a noun, okay, and believe as a verb. So what do you believe? Or whom do you believe? Question. Believe.
อือหือนี่เลยคะ
What do you believe?
What do you
In.
believe or whom do you
What do you
believe
believe in, or whom do you believe?
you can type in the chat or you can answer
I believe in my parents.
ดิฉันชอบเพลง I believe in love
Believer, believer. Oh my god.
That's Pilot 21, or how's it called? The 21 Pilots, or the song?
It's a
Right.
song.
Alright.
Yeah, I
That's a
say
song.
I'm asking, is it from 21 Pilots, or how's that called, the group?
มาจากเรื่องอะไรนะคะ
It's not a song in the movie. It's a song from Imagine Dragon Bands.
No, but I think it's the what's the name of the group or of the singer?
คนร้อง
It's the name of a song, but the singer is, I mean, the band that sing this song is Imagine Dragons. That's
Oh,
like, I don't know, the name
okay,
is
maybe I was wrong, because I think I know this song, but I was confused about the group. I thought it's 21 Pilots or something like that.
That's okay.
Okay, so believe. So who else? So teacher Pia
yes
wrote her opinion. Who else?
or like religions ก็ได้ค่ะ เป็นศาสนาก็ได้ what do you believe I believe in God something like that or I believe in ghost something like that or in love เป็นแบบ
เชื่อ
คนโลก
เชื่อในความรัก
เชื่อในความรักเพลงทาทายังไงเพลงทาทายัง
Anime. With my
Tha Tha
favorite
Yang.
anime
กู
character.
บอกได้1 อายุ
บ้า what do you believe you can say I believe in and followed by the things or the person that you believe
I believe
Yes.
in
I believe in
my favorite
Sorry?
anime character.
oh I
What?
think you
Once
like it
again?
The anime character is my god. It's my life.
I think you
What? What's that? What's that? Explain me, please.
You don't.
can you explain more what is that
No. I
Is
won't
that a-
explain it.
cartoon character
การ์ตูนมูวี่
I won't explain that. And I will do.
Mhm. How about others what do you believe you can say I believe in for example I believe in money can do everything
Sure.
Oh, sure.
Money can do anything. If you have money, you can do anything you want.
oh I'm so sorry I'm so poor right now yes who what do you believe
so poor.
I believe in Dark
So
Uranian. I believe in
are
Dark
your-
Uranian.
What are your beliefs? What are your beliefs?
are your beliefs
What are your beliefs?
What? Did you ask me?
Beliefs. Yes, belief. Now I have used the
Believe
noun. You
in
see, I have used the
Oswald
noun.
Vito.
That.
ใจะ
I
เย็น
believe in adults.
I
What do you?
believe.
Can I listen again? I can't hear you.
I have written it. Oh, sorry, I'm writing to teacher Pia only.
Yes.
That's why. That's
why
yes.
they don't
So
know.
once again, what are your beliefs?
beliefs belief ที่เป็นตัว
You
F
can
นะคะ
answer
จะ
like
เป็น
I believe.
nouns
You can say I believe, and then you say what you believe, or you can say I believe in. So there, I believe, for example, I believe that the Earth is round, for example.
I believe.
I believe that the Earth is round,
I believe
or
that.
I believe in, and then you can say who or what you are putting trust in or what you believe in.
I believe that people have many things that we didn't know.
All right, secret, something like that.
Or maybe.
What's that?
Or maybe
what's that?
I believe that.
Dark Uranian. Dark Uranian.
มันคืออะไรวะ
คืออะไร
Please explain.
Dark
Please
Uranian
explain.
คืออะไรอ่ะ
What is
รู้
that
แหละว่า
dark
ติด
urine?
ไซคิดูติ
ไม่มันคืออะไรวะ
It's a
มัน
cartoon
คือเหมือนแบบ
character.
เป็นเรื่องดึง
Wait a minute.
All right.
คือ
อะไรคือ Dark Uranian วะ
เหมือนเป็น
I know
เรื่อง
only
ที่ตัวละ
Darth
ครในเรื่
Vader.
องหนึ่ง
I believe in Darth Vader.
I believe in Psyche. I believe in Anos. I believe in
From
anything
Star
is
Wars.
anything.
โอ้โถไอ้พวกมึง
Who is that? Wait, who is that? I think you watch too many animes.
Because I don't have anything to do. I want to watch anime only.
ไม่ใช่ว่าตลก
เอาที่สบายใจเลยนะทุกคน
Oh, please don't spam in chat, guys.
ซานอย่าสแปมแชทลูกซาน
Flowers gonna think.
What's
ว่า
that?
แล้วฉัน
What are you guys doing?
This is a
เห็น
man.
ไหมเห็นไหมวัยรุ่น
Okay.
อะไรนะ
ใจเย็นวัยรุ่น
ไข่
ใจเย็น
โด
วัยรุ่น
การโดนลงทันครับพี่เชื่อการเด้งออกเลย
ใจเย็นนะ
ฝีมือของ Dark Uranian.
For example, I believe that the world is flat. I believe that the world is
Oh,
flat.
really?
I believe in Dark Union.
Sorry, Galileo. I'm so sorry to Galileo.
I believe in Dark Union.
พอเถอะนะพอเถอะนะขอ
เรา
ร้อง
เบียร์มาเยอะแล้ว
And what do you believe is in the end of the world, Pia?
I think there will be like the age that we can falling down to the bottom
Okay.
of the world.
I see. I see.
I believe in the future maybe we have some machine that can save the world that we have.
And what if we don't made it to the future? If we
Okay,
destroyed
so-
ourselves, what if we destroyed ourselves before we made it to the time when we have the machine?
Maybe we have to ride a space shuttle and find another Earth.
Oh,
In the modern research, they say they have about 26 planets that just quite similar to Earth.
where they are? Aren't they quite far?
I don't know, but the modern research says that. I just read it a little bit because I found it in YouTube and it's a modern research and they say it shocked the scientists, but we can't go there because it's too far.
Well,
Maybe
exactly.
in the
It's too
future.
far. It's too far. That's like light years away. Even if we were traveling like light, that's amazing speed. You know, we can't travel so fast like a light. It would
Maybe
take
in
us
the
very
future.
long to get there. So we can't get there actually.
Maybe in the future we can like travel as a light, but it still took many years to get there.
Yeah. And so, well, there is like a saying that there is no planet B. I will write it. It's like a word pun. There is no planet B. Do you see? There is no planet B. It's a word pun, word game from a plan B. Like having a plan B means that you have some other plan to do when plan A fails. And planet B is like, we have no other planet to go actually. Actually, even Mars, it's much less inhabitable than maybe many of the worst inhabitable places in Earth. So we can't think we can just go to another planet. We have to deal good and well with this planet because we have no other. Okay.
Or maybe Mars a good choice, but it can't last long.
Well, no, actually, Mars is even less inhabitable than, for example, deserts and things like that, you know.
Yes, it has so less water.
Yeah, so there is like not an atmosphere we can breathe in and things like that. So it's illusion that we can go to some other planet, actually, and that's for like idea that we don't have to take care of our planet and we can just go to some other one. It's an illusion. Yep.
Why everyone is quiet now? It's quite.
I think they don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Maybe
talking
Smart,
about-
can you explain to
Yes.
others? Smart, maybe you can explain to others what we are talking about.
สมาร์ทตอบไม่ได้เลยลูก
คุยเรื่องต่างดาวอะนะ
They think we can
Alien.
change, we can move out
Planet.
from our world to other star or planet.
ก็นึกว่ากำลังบ่นอะไรกันอยู่
Oh my
กำลั
god.
งนั่งงงอยู่ It's because dark uranium
We discussing.
อะไรคือ dark uranium
หยุดพูดถึงขอร้องไหว้ละออกจากเรื่อง
คืออะไรอ่ะ
ออกจากเรื่องของไซคิออกไปนะ เอาเรื่องของชุนออกไปโอเคนะ
คืออีหยัง
Maybe
วะ
maybe you should tell your mom that you don't want to watch anime and
ไอพวกเบี้ยวเอ้ย
เบียวลูกเบียวไม่ใช่เบียว
เธอไม่ได้ก็เธอก็เบี้ยวเหมือนกันนะผู้หา
Yeah, exactly. Thinking that we can destroy the place we are living and then to go to other planet is like thinking we can destroy the place we are living and then to live on the bottom of the sea because there is enough space there. Actually, we know that it's almost impossible for us to live in the bottom of the sea on the ocean, you know. And the same way, even if there is a lot of space on the bottom of the ocean, it's not inhabitable for us. So the same way, it's illusion to think we can just go to some other planet. Okay, and now we will listen to a song about two beings which are not very content of where they do live. Did you hear about polar bear and about penguins? What do you know about them? Polar bear and penguin.
Penguin is in the
in danger.
Antarctic there is South Pole.
So what do you know about penguin and about polar bear?
What happened to them?
Polar bear is quite dangerous, but sometimes they're friendly, and there's furry, the white fur, because they protect themselves that no one can see, even a hunter.
Okay, so polar bear. Okay, what do you know about penguins?
Penguin
Penguin is a little bit furry. The fur is waterproof, I think, and they can swim really
Waterproof,
fast.
okay.
And the color is black and white, so we see them easily sometimes.
Okay.
I've been to
Thank
South
you.
Pole before that I need to go to see the
Oh,
penguins.
don't say advance, Teacher Pia. That would what they have to find out.
All right, I see.
Where they would listen to a song and think where and when the penguins live. Okay. So listen to a song. Oh, sorry again. I didn't want this. Oh.
I can't stand living here in the Arctic.
เออ
Do you want to go swimming in the Antarctic? Everywhere I look, it's just ice and snow. It's freezing cold and nothing can grow. I'm lonely up here in the north. What's it like? You're boring and there's nothing to do. Living in the South Pole is very boring too. Is this the right place for a polar bear? Let's move buddy. Do you know where? I'm on the top of the world, but I feel down. I'm on the bottom, we need a change now. How about a meeting in the middle somewhere? That's a great idea, great idea. It's warm and sunny there. See you there. See you there.
Okay, so where does polar bears live? Where does polar bears live?
อยู่ที่ไหนเอ่ยคะ
The
where
bear live
They
in
live in the North Pole.
Where?
Arctic.
north or south
Polar
again
bears
Where?
live in the North Pole.
Okay, where do polar bears live?
In Arctic at the North Pole. And
Yes,
the top
around the North Pole in the Arctic. And where do penguins live? Where do penguins live?
He lives in the South Pole or Antarctic or what another.
Right,
Australia.
right. Around South Pole
Pole.
in Antarctic. Okay. So let's check it. Let's check it, and you can sing along the song now. I will turn on the words, and you can sing along this song and check your answer.
1. Listen to the song. Where do polar bears and penguins live? Pole to pole.
I can't stand living here in the Arctic. Do you want to go swimming in the Antarctic? Everywhere I look, it's just ice and snow. It's freezing cold and nothing can grow. I'm lonely up here in the north. What's it like, your end? It's not much better, believe me, my friend. It's so boring and there's nothing to do. Living in the South Pole is very boring too. Is this the right place for a polar bear? Let's move buddy. Do you know where? I'm on the top of the world, but I feel down. I'm on the bottom, we need a change now. How about a meeting in the middle somewhere? That's a great idea, great idea. It's warm and sunny there. See you there. See you there.
That's a rock
Okay.
song.
yes
Okay, now let's look up your workbook. Open your workbook, and
page number
now you will
48.
have okay, I will give you like 1 minute to fill in these words: top, west, bottom, north, south, east, middle, to these pictures. Okay, so we have a compass here, and we have this penguin, which is on various part of this drive. So you have 1 minute to fill in so that you will be ready and to get your activity points when your answer will be correct. So 1 minute to prepare.
ลงมือทำได้เลยนะคะ1 นาที activity point เหมือนเดิม if you can correct answer. 2 points.
Activity 1.
Yes, activity 1, page number 48 on your workbook. 2 points
Page
for correct
48.
answer and 1 point for readiness.
I'm finished.
Alright ใครอยากได้เพลงนะคะเดี๋ยวเชื่อส่งให้นะคะหรือไปฟังใน on your CD ก็ได้ ถ้าใครมี CD นะคะเพลงอย่างนั้น
40 seconds more. I will ask Teacher Pia that she will be
Yes.
calling people by name, and everybody will have just 5 seconds to answer the correct answer. 5 seconds.
5 วิเท่านั้น
So
นะ
be
คะ
prepared, be prepared. Okay, so everybody get ready. And I am asking what should be in number 1? Is this part of the compass?
Alright
Okay, Teacher Pia.
Alright, can you hear from Tim number 13 Tim
yes ครับ
answer please
not
It's okay isn't it maybe next time so let's move to
Be ready to answer within 5 seconds after your name is being called.
ได้ยินชื่อตัวเองปั๊บนะคะไม่ต้องครับไม่ต้องค่ะไม่ต้อง say yes or no you can answer you answer ได้เลยนะคะ alright for the next one will be curfew number 33 ค่ะ 33 curfew ตอบเลย
ข้อไหนนะ
ข้อแรกอยู่ number one นะคะ number one อยู่
Number 1. Okay, I will extend for 7 seconds now, okay?
โอเค7 วิเผื่อเวลา
So
June,
number
2
one, be ready to answer. Don't spend your time on saying, ooh, oh yes, what should I answer? Just say the word, which should be number 1.
alright for the number 1 นะคะข้อที่1อยู่เนาะ can I hear from number 24 touch 24
เมื่อไหร่จะ number 9 บ้าง
ฮะ
Teacher Pia, I will ask
Sorry?
you that you at the same time ask the person to unmute, okay? Using
All right.
participants, just
All right.
when you say some
I
that
want to
person, just
answer.
ask it for answer. Yeah, that's fine, but I would like to give one more person to chance to be ready.
alright alright boom number 9 please
number 1 is north
Correct.
north correct 2 points
Okay. Okay, number 2. Who will be answering
Number
number 2?
9.
That's this part. Oh, sorry. That's this part, this
ข้อ 2 นะคะ
direction.
ฝั่งซ้ายมือ on the left hand นะคะฝั่งซ้ายมือ Can I hear from พอใจ 21 please
right
I am okay go ahead you forgot to turn on your mic
S
west or east okay maybe
Yeah,
next
yeah.
time yes
หน้าไหนอ่ะ
48
โอเคหงุดหงิดกับการถามว่าหน้าไหนของมันมาก
alright it's okay
ที่เชื่อเล่มไหนอ่ะเล่มไหน
บอกแล้ว
โอ้
บอกแล้ว
เวิร์กบุ๊ก
มันก็มีบอกอยู่แหละ workbook
พิมพ์อยู่ในแชทอยู่เหมือนเดิม alright
แสดง
number
ว่า
two
ไอ้นี่
number two
Number two, still number
What
two.
yes for
Who is
number
ready
two
to answer?
who wants to answer you can raise your hand raise your hand in Zoom นะคะที่เชื่อไม่สามารถมองเห็นได้นะคะ alright who's that oh okay Kelvin okay 33 you go ahead
number 2 is waste.
waste correct
early waste
alright
Okay.
alright let's move
Number three, this direction. Number three, who will be answering?
can I hear from star number 11 please star number 11 hello alright alright maybe next time so I can move to Tan Zhao please number 20 Tan Zhao number 20 please 20
East, teacher, east.
east alright
Okay, on
Great.
time, good.
alright
And the last one, opposite
Come on.
of north,
Yes.
is
number 4 can I hear from number 10
Number
Harpit
4.
please Harpit please number 10 hello Harpit hello ภูผา
Excuse me.
all right
I want answer.
all right number 4 Bart number 4 Bart please Bart number 4
South.
okay,
all right
correct.
great
Okay, number 5. Where is this penguin? Where is this penguin?
very
Great,
penguin
okay.
นะดูที่รูปนะคะใจเย็นใจเย็น all right are you ready okay I think you are ready so let's move to question number 5 can I hear from Preem number 18 Preem Preem number 18 please you got 2 okay maybe next time so can I hear from Bamboo 23 please Bamboo 23 please
Top.
top
Right.
correct very good
Right,
the
good.
penguin on the top
Okay, everybody get ready for number 6. The penguin is a little bit lower, but not in the end. Where is the penguin? Number 6.
all right can I hear from
Linda.
number 7 number 7 Tamarin ค่ะ number 7
middle
Correct.
middle right very good
The last one, number 7, in the end, is the penguin where?
can I hear from Infa 36 Infa 36 you can go ahead
Bottom.
what
Bottom.
Right.
all right
Okay,
very good
Cool, you done it. So we have north, south, west, east, and top, middle, and the bottom. Correct. These are important words. Remember them well. These are very important. They are kind of basic vocabulary. So remember these words well.
จำให้ดีจำไม่ขึ้นใจ
Okay, let's repeat everybody. Wake up and let's repeat. Now, first the compass. 1, everybody. What's this? Turn on your microphones, everybody. Well,
No.
I will do this. Unmute everybody. So
No.
once again, number 1,
north yeah
north, right? North. You put your tongue in between your teeth. North, north. Everybody.
North.
North. It's not fur like for fun in Thai. It's th. You have to put your tongue in between your teeth.
เสียงมันลง
North.
ใครเนาะ
North. North. Okay.
north นะคะ north
North. Okay. Number 2. West. Everybody. West.
west
West.
West.
very good
West. West. Like when west. West. Number 3. East.
east
Watch out. It's not east. East is actually something different. Different. No, this is east. East. Number 4. South. Against the. Your tongue in between your teeth. South. South.
South.
South.
ฟันลิ้นออกมาระหว่างฟันหน้าค่ะฟันหน้า south เอาปลายลิ้น
South.
south
Okay, great.
south
I'm glad that I finally see you, Maid.
Top.
Okay, 5. Top.
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 6. Middle.
Middle.
Everybody, middle.
Middle.
Well, I want to hear like 30 students, not 3 guys. Where are you? Middle.
Middle.
Well, where are all the others? There are like still 20 people muted or so. I ask you to unmute and speak right now. Where are you?
Middle.
28, 26, 5, 32, 24, 22, 12, 18, 27, 30, 18, 27. So where are you? Unmute, please.
Middle.
So, middle. And the last one, bottom. Bottom.
ไม่ใช่ bottle
Bottom. Okay. Bottom.
it's not bottle นั่นมันขวดน้ำ bottom
Now, you will listen to an article and write in your workbook T for true or F for false. So now first just read it and write T for true, F of false. What do you think? Don't say it, but just say what do you think. Number 1, polar bears live only in Alaska and Canada. So write what do you think. Polar bears live only in Alaska and Canada. Number 2, there are 5 countries in the Arctic. Number 2, there are 5 countries in the Arctic. Number 3, there are 15,000 polar bears in the world. There are 15,000 polar bears in the world. 4, polar bears can swim. Is it true or false? Polar bears can swim. And 5, polar bears are bigger than brown bears are bigger than polar bears. What do you think? Brown bears are bigger than polar bears. And 6, in the wild, most polar bears live for about 41 years. In the wild, most polar bears live for 41 years. So write what do you think, and now listen and check whether you were correct. So listen now.
Workbook 2. Read and write T for true or F for false. Then listen to a radio show and check your answers.
And today we have our animal expert, Paul Cartley, with us. Hello, Paul.
Hello there.
So, Paul, today you're going to tell us about polar bears.
Yes.
Tell us, Paul, do polar bears only live in Alaska and Canada?
No, polar bears live all around the North Pole. This area is called the Arctic, as we all know. The countries in the Arctic are Russia, Norway, Denmark, the USA, and the fifth one, Canada.
I see. How many polar bears are there in the world today anyway?
Well, nobody knows exactly how many, but scientists believe there are between 22,000 and 25,000.
Do they live on the ice all the time?
No, polar bears spend a lot of time in the water, too.
And how big are they? Are they bigger than brown bears?
Yes, polar bears are the biggest bears in the world. But when they are born, they are very small, like a rat. But they can grow and become very big. They can become the size of a man in the first year. Adult male polar bears can weigh between 550 and 1,700 pounds.
Well, I wouldn't want to meet one, that's for sure. How old do they live to be?
In the wild, most polar bears live to be between 15 and 18 years old. Some scientists found a few bears in their early 30s, too. One zoo bear in London lived to be 41.
Okay. So now, prepare your reactions. Prepare your reactions, and I would like you to everybody to react. What do you think? Yes or no? Is it true? Yes or no? False. Number one, polar bears live only in Alaska and Canada. So vote everybody, true or false.
False.
Use your reactions. Like this. Or like this. So what do you think?
I think false.
So everybody use your reactions. Don't say it. Just say what. Just use reaction to show what do you think. Where the polar bears live only in Alaska and Canada.
ใช้ reaction
I will
นะคะ
give you 10 more seconds to react.
reaction ที่อยู่ใกล้ๆปุ่ม more อะค่ะ I think it's false.
Okay. I would like to give one extra activity point, teacher Pia, for anybody
Yes.
who has voted.
Yes.
Yes. So anybody whatever they voted, please give them one special activity point. Who has voted so far till this moment? Because I don't know what the other people are doing, because they're just like 10 people voting. And I think our class have like more than 30 people. So I don't know what the others are doing and where the others are. So 10 points to give out. And yeah, it's correct. It's false. They live all around North Pole. Right. Question number 2. I will clear up your reactions. And now you can vote. There are 5 countries in the Arctic. There are 5 countries in the Arctic. Everybody, true or false?
You can do reactions.
Reactions, true or false? There are 5 countries in the Arctic.
5 countries.
And I would like everybody to participate and to show your reaction, to see your reactions.
I got 2 reactions right now. Is it true
ไม่
you
รู้
can
ชัวร์
ใช้ reaction นะคะข้างๆปุ่ม more มันจะมีคำว่า true กับคำเป็นรูปติ๊กถูกกับกากบาทใช้อันนั้นได้เลย 10 for reaction.
Okay. So the answer is it's true. Can anybody tell me what the countries are? Any volunteer?
มีประเทศอะไรบ้างคะ
I can't remember now.
Okay,
จำไม่
anybody?
ได้แล้วอ่ะ
จำได้แค่รัสเซียค่ะ
Russia
So who can remember some of them?
just only some of them ก็ได้ค่ะ
I can't
So
remember.
let's do together. Let's do together. Which countries are in the Arctic? One.
I know only
So what do you say?
Russia.
Russia. So Russia.
Okay,
We have
Russia.
one. What's next? Russia.
Do you
Help.
remember no
I can't
Which
remember
จำ
other?
ไม่ได้เลยอาจารย์
ลองเดาๆใกล้ๆประเทศใกล้
Russia.
ๆรัสเซียประเทศ
Russia and
Can you
แค
remember
นาดา
that
เหรอ
Canada
Canada. Yes, somebody said
Yes.
Canada. Okay, what's next?
มีอะไรอีกมีอะไรอีก You can
um
Google it
England.
No so
Okay, let's look to the maps.
we can take a look in the maps or you can Google it
Okay, so this is the Arctic. Well, let's see it as a globe.
นี่ไงรัสเซียเห็นรัสเซียแล้ว
Yes Russia
Okay, so this we have Google Earth. So we have Russia and Canada. What else? Which other countries are in the Arctic?
Yes แถวๆนั้นมีประเทศอะไรบ้าง
Oh, here we have. So let's look up the Arctic. Which countries do we have here? Oh, sorry.
Mongolia.
Well, Mongolia is not in the Arctic. It's below Russia.
Norway.
All right.
Norway yes
right.
Norway, Sweden, Finland.
Well,
Yes Scandinavia นะคะเด็ก
actually just okay, let's put everything there. We want borders and labels. Yes. Countries.
Estonia, United Kingdom, Germany, Netherlands.
Well, not quite. Okay, so let's look up the Arctic.
Finland.
Okay, so this is the Arctic. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. You decided it doesn't work. So.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is Arctic Ocean. Okay, Arctic Ocean is here. And which countries are around Arctic Ocean?
สมุทรอาร์กติกนะคะก็จะมีประเทศตรงนี้
Finland
countries Finland
Well, actually Finland not. Finland, if you look here, it was not mentioned in the article. Finland is not connected to Arctic Ocean. And Sweden as well. You see, this is Norway. This is Norway. This is Norway.
Maybe Finland.
No, Finland is this one. And it's not go up to our north, and also Sweden is not going up to north because Norway is the coastal country. You see?
ก็คือประเทศ
Norway
นอร์เวย์นะคะจะเป็นประเทศที่ติดริมฝั่งของมหาสมุทรอาร์กติกนะคะส่วนสวีเดนกับฟินแลนด์อ่ะมันอยู่แถวนั้นแต่มันไม่ติดเขาก็เลยไม่นับนะคะงงไหม
Okay.
โอเค
But we have also missed some other country. We have Norway, Russia.
do we count Alaska
Okay. This is Arctic seas. You see, Arctic seas. Arctic seas. And we have, this is Russia. You see, this is Russia. This is Canada. This is Norway. And this is, what is this country?
I don't know.
not sure
What is this country? It's called, actually, it's called Greenland. It's the
Greenland
Greenland. So actually here in this also Sweden is part as well. So there is like Alaska, United States, Canada, Finland, Norway, Sweden, Russia, Iceland, Greenland. Okay, so this is maybe larger understanding of Arctic, including Iceland, then Sweden and Finland. So this is Arctic. Okay. So let's go back. So we know now what is Arctic. Okay.
The countries in the Arctic are Russia, Norway, Denmark, the USA, and the fifth one, Canada.
Okay. Question number 3. Please vote. There are 15,000 polar bears in the world. There are 15,000 polar bears in the world. There are 15,000 polar bears in the world.
is it true or false you can do reaction right someone said false only 5 people say false how about others คนอื่นว่าไงคะมีกี่ตัวโพลาร์แบร์มีกี่ตัว
แบร์มีกี่ตัว
มีหลายขอบคุณนะ
Okay. Last 10 seconds. Please vote. What do you think? 15,000 polar bears in the world.
is it true or false มีมากกว่านี้หรือว่าน้อยกว่านี้มากกว่าหนึ่ง
ว่ามากกว่านี้เปล่า
more than
Okay, let's listen.
15,000 okay listen
How many polar bears are there in the world today anyway?
Well, nobody knows exactly how many, but scientists believe there are between 22,000 and 25,000.
Okay, so it's false. There are more. Next question. Well, let me clear your reactions. Now, polar bears can swim. Number 4, polar bears can swim. What do you think? It's true or false? Polar bears can swim.
do they swim any polar bear
Can polar bears swim?
นึกถึง National Geography think about that เราเคยเห็นโพลาร์แบร์ว่ายน้ำหรือเปล่า
How they live?
บูมเคยเห็นในสารคดีที่มันว่ายน้ำ
yeah
เคยเห็นเหรอครับ
yes maybe it can swim หรือเปล่านะ
ไม่รู้อะ
แต่ว่ามันว่ายไม่ได้นะ
ผมไม่รู้ว่ามันคือหมีมันคือโพลาร์แบร์ไหมอะ
โพลาร์แบร์สีขาว
คดีอ่ะ
มันคือหมีอะไร something
หมีขาวไม่หมีขาว
มีเขาคือมีขั้วโลกนะ
yes
Okay,
เขาเรียก
last 10
polar bear
seconds.
แปลว่าเราว่ายน้ำได้
can swim true มั้ง
from listening
Okay.
you can direction
Can swim.
Do they live on the ice all the time?
No, polar bears spend a lot of time in the water, too.
Okay, then spend a lot of time in the water, so they probably
Yeah.
can swim. They can swim.
yeah
yeah
Okay, and next question is, brown bears are
Full and
bigger than
full,
polar
full and
bears.
full.
Brown bears
Oh.
are bigger than polar bears. True or false?
บราวน์แบร์คืออะไรหมีแบบหมีปกติอะ
Brown bears are
Brown
bigger
bears.
than polar bears.
หมี
True or
แบบ
false?
มีสีน้ำตาล grizzly bear อะไรเงี้ย grizzly
False,
bear
false, false.
บุมจะรู้ยังไงบุมไม่เคยเห็นหมี
หมีควายอะไรอย่างเงี้ย
So,
หมีควายหมีค
หมี
น
ควาย
สมัยไม่เรียกห
บุ
มี
ม
ค
ว่าโพ
วาย
ลาร์แบ
อะ
ร์ตัวใหญ่กว่า false
10
มีหมา
seconds.
มี
false
หมา
ในอันนั้น
I think it's false
Wow.
Okay. Yeah.
And how big are they? Are they bigger than brown bears?
Yes, polar bears are the biggest bears in the world.
So the polar bears are the biggest bears in the world. So brown bears are not bigger. That's false because polar bears are
is
the
the biggest
biggest. The biggest.
ใหญ่ที่สุดแล้วนะ
And
คะ
last
polar bear
question. In the wild, most polar bears live for about 41 years. What do you think? I will give you 20 seconds. What do you think?
Still
say
false.
no San say no
Okay.
false
In the wild, most polar bears live for about 41 years. Vote everybody.
อยู่ตามธรรมชาติแบบอยู่ตามธรรมชาตินะคะ
Okay. Well,
In the wild, most polar bears live to be between 15 and 18 years old.
okay, 15 to 18.
Wow.
The 41 was the one zoo bear. So it's not the most what most polar bear lived for. It was one zoo bear in London Zoo. So that's like exception. Okay, so it's false.
so it should be false นะคะ
Okay, it's false.
เพราะว่าไอ้ตัวที่ตัวพิเศษแต่ special one นะคะ they can live for 41 years แต่ส่วนใหญ่ most of them เนาะเราพูดถึง most of them ส่วนใหญ่
Okay, so let's look back to the student book and we'll look to the look part. So open your student book. Open your student book on page 55 and look at the look part. Listen.
Look, drinking a lot of water is good for you. I love playing tennis with my brother. Start doing your homework. Helen can't stand playing in the snow. My parents go skiing every winter. Diane is good at drawing polar bears.
Okay, so what have these words in red common? Yeah, I will do some like what's this? Hopefully I can draw here. Yeah, this.
and เด็กสังเกตนะคะ look at the rate
What they have in
underline.
common? What they have in common?
มีอะไรเหมือนกันค่ะมีอะไรเหมือนกัน
Verb ing.
yes they have ing right คนอื่นมองเห็นยังเป็นอย่างอื่นไหมคะมีอย่างอื่นไหม how about others เห็นอะไรนะตะวัน
บ่มีหยังครับ
อยากบอกก็บอกเนาะแล้วข้างหน้ามันเป็นยังไงคะ
Okay.
ข้างหน้า
Okay, so they have all all these ing ending, ing, drinking, playing, doing, playing, skiing, drawing. We form this with the base form of the verb with adding ing, ing, drinking. And when they are used, so tell me when these ing forms are being used.
ใช้ตอนไหนเอ่ย
When they are used.
เราใช้ ing แบบนี้ได้ตอนไหนเอ่ย ดูจากตัวข้างหน้าสีแดงๆ ตัวหน้า ing เห็นไหมคะ ทำไมเงียบล่ะ Hello
So start with this first sentence. Drinking a lot of water.
Drinking a lot of water is good for you.
Good for you. Drinking a lot of water is good for you. How this word drinking is used in the sentence? How it is used in the sentence? How it is used in this sentence, the ing word, drinking. How
It's used to suggest people.
right ที่เชื่อหมายถึงว่าตัว drinking อะค่ะ มันทำหน้าที่เป็น verb เป็น noun หรือเป็นอะไร
Drinking is a verb. I think it is sentence.
In some sense, yes.
It's an object, but water maybe is a subject.
No, I don't
Okay.
think so.
Okay. Well, let's think about it.
Okay.
When we
Good
have
point, good point.
when we have a sentence like a postman is running, what is subject?
A postman
is running.
Postman is the subject.
Is subject, right?
Yes.
What if you have a sentence like John is a postman? John is a postman. What subject in this sentence?
John.
John is a postman.
John is the subject.
Right. What if we have a sentence John is good? What is the subject?
John.
Right. And if we have like a postman is good, what is the subject?
A postman.
Right. And when we have a sentence like drinking is good. Drinking is good.
Is a subject. Drinking is a subject.
Exactly. So drinking is good for you. Drinking a lot of water, more specifically, is good for you. Drinking is a subject. So we can use the ing form of the verb as a subject. You see, drinking is here a subject in this sentence. Okay, so remember, we can use gerund or ing form of the verb as a subject of a sentence. Like drinking a lot of water is good for you. Can you imagine some other examples when ing form of a verb is a subject?
คนละหนึ่งประโยคค่ะ ที่มี verb ing เป็นประธาน for extra point ค่ะ I will give you as the extra point.
I love playing basketball.
Well, then it's I is a subject in the
ต้
sentence.
องเป็น
I
ing อยู่ข้างหน้าค่ะ For example,
ing
drinking
should be
is good
subject.
for you. Drinking is good for you. For example. คนละหนึ่งประโยคแล้วแปลว่า
For
extra
example,
points.
swimming is a nice exercise. Swimming is a
It's a
nice
nice
exercise.
exercise. ing ค่ะ ได้หมดเลยขึ้นต้น
Running is good for.
Okay.
Running is good for again.
Okay, go
Reading
ahead.
is good for learning. It's good for learn. Good for learn. Reading is good for learn.
What? It sounds good. Once
Reading.
again.
Okay.
Yes.
ดีละ reading
Reading
again
is good for learn.
for learn
Okay,
learn like
good.
okay
Running.
okay great better
Okay.
very
And
good
now
1
think
point
about, let's look at these sentences. I love play.
I love playing tennis with my brother. Start doing your homework. Helen can't stand playing in the snow. My parents go skiing every
Okay,
winter.
so you see, with which verb can we use this ing form of another verb? With which verbs are we using? We can, once again, as we said, we can use ing form of verb as a subject, but that's not the only use case. That's not the only way how can we use the ing form of verb. We can do other things with it as well. For example, use it with some other verbs like love playing, start doing, can't stand playing, go skiing, So with which verbs can we use ing form of verbs? Which verbs can we use it with?
ให้เด็กดูตัวอย่างที่สองนะคะ yes มันจะมี verb ที่ตามด้วย ing เช่น go skiing ใช่ไหม go skiing love painting เหมือนตัวอย่างใช่ไหม I love painting tennis with my brother for example there are other verb ค่ะมีอีกที่ต้องเป็น verb 1 ตัวแล้วตามด้วย verb ing หรือว่า gerund นั่นเองมีอะไรอีก
Verb
Okay,
of
so which
preference เหรอคะ
อะไรนะคะ
Verb of preference เหรอคะ
ที่เชื่อไม่ได้ยินขออีก 1 รอบ
Verb of preference
verb phrase หรือเปล่า do you mean this one พิมพ์มา can you type please จะเป็น verb แล้วตามด้วย ing เช่น I love swimming I love skiing I go skiing อะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะที่เราบทที่แล้วมาที่เราเคยเรียนตอน e ตอน d มา verb of preference โอเค
good idea. Yes.
Mm.
So we have
Nice.
various verbs like love, start, can't stand, go, and there are other verbs which we can use the ing form with. And then we have a phrase, Diane is good at
drawing polar
Good
bears.
at drawing polar bears. So
Diane is good at drawing polar bears.
So we can use it in a frame good at. So I want to encourage you to look in your student book. In the end, I think there is these like a grammar reference, and you can look up where we can use ing forms. So we use ing form as subject of verbs.
Drinking a lot of water is good for
And
you.
after certain verbs like love, like, enjoy, hate.
I love playing tennis with my brother. Start doing your homework. Helen can't stand playing in the snow.
After prepositions like I am good at cooking.
Diane is good at drawing polar bears.
After certain expressions like
Helen can't stand playing in the snow.
After the verb go to indicate activities.
My parents go skiing every winter.
We'll come back to this next lesson. Teacher Pia, would like to summarize for the activity points for this lesson.
All right. For activity points today, we are going to talk about เรื่องนี้นะคะ this topic on Wednesday again นะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะพูดเรื่องนี้กันอีกรอบหนึ่ง Alright, can you I can't share my screen.
Oh, sorry. Now we should be able.
Yes. Sharing has been. Sorry. I can't share from my iPad. What happened?
Okay, should I share?
Yes, please.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. Oh, sorry.
ระหว่างนี้นะคะ ใครที่รอดูคะแนน activity point นะคะ เตรียมหนังสือหน้า workbook 40 นะคะ
Okay,
40
maybe you can stop recording.
yes